Hello and welcome to George Basics. This is George, and in today's video I will teach you how to buy Saitama with very low fees, literally zero fees. So if you want to avoid Uniswap's crazy high Ethereum gas fees, this video is made for you. Watch the video until the end. Don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And remember that this is not a financial advice. This is just video tutorial of buying Saitama on Gate.io. Gate.io is in top 10 exchanges in the world and it's available in United States. Gate.io is extremely popular nowadays, and the most important is that it's very simple to make an account and also it's very simple to use this platform. So let's begin our tutorial. I will explain step by step how to buy Saitama on Gate.io. The first thing we need to have is an account on Gate.io. If you have an account, you can just log into your account, or you can make an account if you don't have it. The sign up link will be in the description. The next thing we need to do is to buy USDT, because to buy Saitama we need to swap USDT to it. So first of all, let's buy USDT on Gate.io. Let's go to the main page and then let's go to buy crypto. In this video I will show you how to buy it with your credit card. So choose credit card. Here in the right corner you should choose USDT. The minimum payment is 30 USD. I will enter 30 USD, and here are some service providers. I prefer to use Banksa, and you can also try other providers if you want. So I will choose Banksa. They have very low fees. You can see it. I pay 30 USD and I will receive 28.28 USDT, and the fees are nearly 60 cents. So I will tick this and go to purchase. If everything is correct, you should click create an order and you should fill your personal information and finalize the payment. After you finalize the payment, you will have USDT on your Gate.io wallet. So to check the wallet, you should go to wallet and then spot account. Here you will see your USDT wallet. And now we can buy Saitama on Gate.io. So to buy Saitama, we should go to trade and spot trading. You should type Saitama in the search bar, open Saitama. Here you should type the amount of USDT you are going to pay for buy Saitama. For example, I will enter 7 USDT. For 7 USDT, I will buy this amount of Saitama token. So if everything is correct, you should click buy and then you should confirm the order. And now I will show you how to check Saitama wallet on Gate.io account. So go to wallet in top right corner and then here you should choose spot account. And here you will find out your Saitama wallet and the tokens we just bought on Gate.io. So this is very simple. I suggest you to start trading on Gate.io because their platform is very easy and they have very low fees. We bought Saitama with very low fees and we avoided Uniswap's crazy high fees. And also there are some people who are interested in how to sell Saitama. So I will show you how to sell these Saitama tokens back to USDT. Go to trade and click spot trading again. Then type Saitama. Go to Saitama's page, and in the right corner of this page you should click your Saitama balance here, and then you should click sell and confirm your order. We sold our Saitama token. So this is very easy. I suggest you to use this platform because it's very easy and cheap. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking the like button. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.